How to change background image in Squarespace easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Squarespace website background image. So let's get into it. First of all, you can go to squarespace.com and then you will log into your account. Once you log in, then you will get to your websites. You're going to select the website you want to edit. I will select this one. It will take me right here. So we have to select the page where we want to change the background images. I have selected my home page. This is the page. And then you're going to click on edit. Now we can edit our page. So you can see we have background image. For example, this image in the background. How to change it? For that, you will have to select the section first. Once you select it, then you're going to click on edit section. Then you have to go to background, and you can see in background we have image, video, or art. So we have an image in the background and we want to change it. So for that, you will click on replace. Now you can upload your file, select from library or browse from stock image. To upload, click on upload file and upload from your computer or browse your library, or you can also get one from the stock image. You can see I have now added this image as the background and it is being uploaded. Once it's done, you're just going to click on done and your background image will be changed. So this is how you can replace your background image of any of the section on Squarespace. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.